Welcome to the installation video of the Curt 31028 front mount receiver hitch on the 1999 Jeep Wrangler. To give you a better view of the installation, we are using a lift. Like most installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 30 minutes to an hour depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. Using a die grinder, enlarge the underbody attachment points large enough that the hardware will fit. Start by raising the hitch into position, driver's side first, to provide adequate room for the bolt clearance holes in the side plate. Mark the rearmost attachment points with a marker. Be sure that the holes are level with the bottom of the slotted foremost attachment point. Drill the previously marked holes. Be sure to use a cutting grease or coolant to protect the longevity of your drill bit. You may also want to start with a smaller bit to ease the drilling process. Fishwire the side attachment hardware by inserting the coiled end of the fishwire into the foremost attachment point first and out the previously enlarged access holes. Place the square hole spacer over the coiled end and push it up through the access hole. Thread the 1/2-inch carriage bolt into the coiled end and angle the head up into the access hole, and pull on the opposing end of the fishwire. Repeat this process for the rearmost side attachment point. Leave all fish wires attached. Reverse fishwire the remaining hardware by threading the carriage bolt into the coiled end of the fishwire and angle the head of the bolt up into the mounting hole. Then, thread the square hole spacer over the wire and push it up into the mounting hole. Pull on the wire and the bolt will pass through the spacer and frame, giving you your rearmost attachment point. When fishwiring on the opposing frame rail, be sure that you fishwire the foremost attachment point first so that the hardware will not bind within the frame. Raise the hitch back into position, inserting each fishwire into the respective mounting hole in the side plates. Once the hitch is in position, pull the bolts through the attachment points and fasten with the supplied 1/2-inch hex flange nuts. Torque all fasteners to that specified in the supplied instruction sheet. This completes the installation of the Curt 31028 front mount receiver hitch on the 1999 Jeep Wrangler. Still need a winch mount or cargo carrier? Find all that and more at curtmfg.com.
Curt, the first name in towing products.